Do you know how a plant grows? It all starts with a tiny seed. When a seed gets water and warmth, something magical happens. It begins to grow. The roots of the plant go down, down, down into the soil. It holds the growing seedlings in place. Soon after, the stem reaches up, up, up towards the sky. The young seedlings grow leaves that catch the sunlight it needs. Almost like magic, the plant starts to make its own food. As the days pass, the plant gets bigger and bigger. And guess what? Some plants will also get pretty flowers and yummy fruits. Inside the fruits are seeds from which new plants will grow. Isn't that amazing?
Don't forget to subscribe.